Hi, welcome back to a new vlog. As you can tell, I woke up not too long ago. So in our vlog today, we are still in the spirit of Vlogmas. So today we are going to be making Ghana chips, but with a twist. Yesterday night I watched one of Imelda's videos on chips, and in this one she added a secret ingredient. So we are here today. We are coming to replicate her recipe. Really, for me, I have everything home, and Rama has been disturbing me with chips and donuts. So we are going to make the chips today. God willing, the donuts will follow because Nanos will be leaving any moment soon. So let's get started. Let me make a disclaimer here, YouTube. If you are hearing any music, any sound, it's not coming from me, it's coming from my neighbor across the wall. There are other houses around, so they have decided to praise God this morning, to revive their faith in the Lord this morning. So please, that music you are hearing is not from me. I'm making 4 cups of flour, and this is the standard cup of measurement in Ghana. And with that, we keep it. We don't flatten it. We don't level it up. So this is a standard 1 cup. So if I say 4 cups, this is what I mean by the 4 cups of flour. I'm using pastry flour, the soft side. Then I have here my creamy nutmeg. It's already grated. I'm adding about 2 tablespoonfuls of sugar. Then I'll mix to incorporate all the dry ingredients. I might add a little bit of salt, but I'll do that after I have added the margarine. With the margarine, I have here the Lily brand, and this is 250 grams. So I'll start with 1. You can skip this, but I'm doing this because I don't want to leave even a drop of margarine in the sachet. Next, Abra. Everything. So I'm going with 500 grams of margarine. So this is the egg and onion mixture. I'm going to add it. Oh, I forgot. I added about half or a quarter, no, half of a clove. No, is it a clove? Yeah, half of a clove of garlic. So the mixture is 1 egg, and then 1 medium size of an onion plus 1 clove of garlic. I'll go ahead and dust my working area with flour. So I'm going to roll it out nicely like that, just like so. Yeah, in muscles for it. Guys, if you can access where they stretch, if there is any, if you are making match and you are closer to where they do industrial milling of bread, yeah, where they mix bread for industrial purpose, and you take it there, they will stretch it for you. I don't have one close to me here, else I would have taken it there. Yeah, I want it very thin. That is what she said we should do. If you have this thing, the pasta cutter, yeah, the pasta cutter, those of you that have it, you can use, there's a portion that she used to stretch it, you can use that one. But if you don't have, like I don't, then you go the manual way. So I think it is okay now. Oh, because of the egg, you know. So I'll go ahead and cut. The pizza cutter is not giving me straight lines, so I will use the knife instead. Yeah. Auntie asked me. Handsome. Yes, me. The normal me coming for them one feeling what that, but on one never no such a catane a bit. On one never saw a bebo me. That's far. Or ya back papa. Oh, I say 10. 10 years. Guys, I think this is the consistency of the shape that I want. The earlier one was too big. Yeah, I want it very thin, like this. As I said earlier, the pizza cutter is not helping. It doesn't give me a straight line. Okay. I'll go with the knife. Okay. So when it heats up, I'll start frying. Guys, look at my tasting officer. Work in progress, but not there. Baby, a woman. Past that I made, I am told it will not be enough because I'll give my mom a rama. Ne chances of a man as to for women, I didn't know one come. One come here and overboard register. So the forecast will not be enough. So tomorrow, God willing. What were you, Fanta? And then the fourth, and then by the day, no move it a pie. Nature be means to drink water. More pie, or no, so you drink. More pie, no, you drink. I was like, I will never know. So, guys, I'll have to make another one. The flour, I think it's 10 cups. Looking at what's going on there. Now, but we'll have to go and buy any flour, other things.